Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Don't go away, we've got this beauty on the west end coming right at ya.
Beachy Beach. Hey there, we're downstairs in this gorgeous new construction home offered by Camben Homes. One of the things that I love about their homes is the upgrades, the extra finishes that you would normally have to pay extra for with a different builder comes standard here. Quality is everything. Gorgeous quartz countertops. You've got soft close cabinetry, beautiful new appliances. Lighting is always viewed as the jewelry of your home. And you'll notice extra touches. There's a gorgeous dining room fixture in this particular home. Make sure you check it out. No carpet to deal with, so perfect for being close to the beach. Nice neutral color palette with just pops of color. We've got blue to give it that feel of living by the beach. Why don't we go check out Heather and see what is going on upstairs.
Welcome to the main ensuite here in the top floor. This beautiful Camben home is built, everything seamless and throughout. Just as Britt was mentioning with downstairs, your hint of mint cabinets are also carried upstairs with those same matching quartz countertops. How perfect is that? Everything's cohesive and coastal and light and airy. And in this main ensuite, you also have tray ceilings, which is a great little added touch for that elegance and elevated ceilings. Don't forget what's in this main ensuite. This bathroom boasts that tile in the shower. It's just beautiful. Everything you'd expect out of a brand new coastal living home. For more information, look in the description below. Check out the actual MLS listing link for photos, price, and square footage details.
And make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any hot deals like this one.